Hi, this video is about two things that most people who are taking a mock test series, for example Aircats, AirMBA Guru, or some other test series somewhere else. So two stats, two elements or two statistics that a lot of people tend to most focus upon, which are actually quite useless in the bigger context. Now why do I say that? First of all, which are these two stats? I think if I were to just ask you to pause this video right now एंड आस्क यू कि यार किसी भी मॉक के बाद ना क्या एक या दो चीजें आप समझते हो कि आपकी परफॉर्मेंस का बहुत अच्छा इंडिकेशन देती हैं, या क्या चीजें आप उस टेस्ट से लेके जाना चाहोगे इन टर्म्स ऑफ व्हाट यू हैव लर्नड? आई एम श्योर मोस्ट ऑफ यू वुड से परसेंटाइल एंड स्कोर, बिकॉज दोस टू थिंग्स इंडिकेट वेयर यू आर. नाउ आई हैव अ वेरी डिफरेंट ओपिनियन ऑन इट. आई फील एंड आई एम सेइंग दिस not just from my own experience, because that's not really an experience you would want to pick up much from. अच्छा ये बताओ कि इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया की जो बड़ी फेमस टेस्ट सीरीज हुई थी क्रिकेट में 2020-21 में, उसमें टूर्स से पहले जो प्रैक्टिस मैचेस थे उसमें ऋषभ पंत ने 3 मैचेस में क्या स्कोर्स बनाए थे? अच्छा चलो, दैट्स प्रॉब्ली अ क्वेश्चन दैट इज टू फार फेच्ड फॉर यू. मुझे ये बताओ, इन योर 9th स्टैंडर्ड व्हेन यू अपीयर्ड फॉर योर फर्स्ट term exams, how much did you score overall? What was your percentage? नहीं याद आ रहा दोनों में से कुछ भी? Now, can you understand what I'm trying to get at? There are a lot of scores which are not really important beyond that immediate moment, because finally what counts is your scores in the big matches, right? पंत ने प्रैक्टिस मैचेस में क्या बनाया फर्क नहीं पड़ता, याद भी नहीं होगा, शायद उसको भी याद नहीं होगा. आपने 9th में किसी टर्म एग्जाम्स में अनलेस आपने कुछ बहुत अच्छा या बहुत खराब किया, आपको याद भी नहीं होगा. आपको अपने 10th के मार्क्स याद होंगे, आपको अपने 12th के मार्क्स याद होंगे. आपने कहीं बहुत खराब किया तो शायद याद होगा, कहीं बहुत अच्छा किया तो शायद याद होगा. Else these things just fade away. I mean, once you get to an IIM, no one will ask you how much did you score at the MBA Guru Aircat number 7. What was your percentile or score? These are the most useless things. So now, why are you writing these mocks? Not for the scores within mocks themselves, but you're writing it for the purpose of maximizing your chances of scoring as high as you possibly can in the actual CAT. Is it not? तो फिर important क्या होना चाहिए? इम्पॉर्टेंट होना चाहिए कि किन्हीं भी 2 मॉक्स के बीच में आप कुछ ऐसा करें जिससे आपकी मॉक्स में इंप्रूवमेंट आए. अगर आपने मॉक दिया, एनालाइज किया और आपको कोई एक या 2 चीजें मिल गई जो आपको लगे वाओ ये ठीक कर ली और अच्छा हो जाए, then that mock has served its purpose. That alone, the scope of improvement, where you can improve, that is the only thing that is important. That's the only important takeaway from a mock test, an Aircat, or whatever name it is given, wherever you're writing it. Things like scores, which can fluctuate, or percentiles, which can be disheartening, don't really add value apart from satisfying your curiosity. For example, सबको एक कीड़ा होता है, अच्छा कितनी percentile आई इस mock में? That's the human emotion for short term, that dopamine effect, that something that sort of excites you. Okay, what happened here, right? You want that number, so that's more of curiosity, nothing else. Secondly, you're only seeing yourself in relation to others. That's all a percentile tells you. Finally, CAT के दिन क्या फर्क पड़ता है कि 2 लाख लोग दे रहे हैं या 20 लाख लोग दे रहे हैं CAT? What is most important? That you are able to give your best that day. How does it make a difference as to how many people are doing what? Will that change your performance? Think about it. So your best shot lies in improving as much as possible, and mocks are a part of the preparation to get towards that end. Mocks के scores important नहीं है. Mocks से अगर improve कर पा रहे हो, that is one and only important thing that you should be totally focused on. So I hope it makes sense to you. I hope you're able to understand why you should not lose heart if you have a bad score or a bad percentile, and that probably just reflects कि और ज़्यादा स्कोप है इम्प्रूव करने के लिए. इनफैक्ट जिन लोगों की कंसिस्टेंटली बहुत अच्छे परसेंटाइल्स और स्कोर्स आते हैं उनके लिए थोड़ा सा वरीसम रहता है, because for them it is they have very little to improve. I'm not saying there is no scope, but there is lesser scope to improve between now and the actual CAT. The other thing is the pressure is continuously high, because if you are doing continuously well in mocks, you have that bit of additional pressure going into the actual CAT. क्या अभी तक consistently हो रहा था, अब होगा या नहीं? I'm not trying to take away that confidence from you. All I am saying is, if you want to have bad days, this is the time to have those. Right? If you want the law of averages to catch up with you, you'd want to do it while you're taking mocks, not afterwards. Right? So I hope it made sense to you. I hope you liked it. If you did, do share a comment or just press the like button. It will help us understand. It will help me understand whether I'm being able to put my point across and make sense to you or not. That's it for now. Bye. See you soon again.